Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send an Interac e-transfer using the TD Bank app. To begin, open the TD mobile app on your device and log into your account using your username, password, or biometric login if it is enabled. Once you are logged in, look at the navigation menu and tap on Move Money or Send Money. Inside this section, you will see different transfer options. Tap on Interac e-transfer to continue. After that, go to the Send Money tab. Here, you can choose the person or business you want to send money to. If the recipient is already saved in your contacts, simply select their name. If not, you may need to add a new recipient by entering their email address or mobile phone number. Next, select the TD account you want the money to come from. This could be your checking account or another eligible account connected to your TD profile. Now enter the amount you want to send. Double-check the amount before moving forward. If the person receiving the money has not enabled auto deposit, you will need to create a security question and answer. Make sure the answer is something only the recipient will know. You should share the answer with them separately for better security. If everything looks correct, tap Send Money to complete the transfer. The recipient will receive a notification with instructions to deposit the money. Thanks for watching.